Next I'm going to show you the bicycle work stand, and first of all we're going to clamp it into the seat post. So you can hold it firm, nice and firm into the seat post. Then you can just undo, and it can go 360 if you like. So there's any position that you can hold the bike in, like so, or if you want it straight, like that, so that it can be adjusted anywhere that you desire. So that's easily, everything can be adjusted. We can also release it. Everything's quick release on it. We can release it, spin it around to place it on the top tube of the bike. Like so, so that if you want to work on it this way. It's also fully adjustable. It can be adjusted to any height you like, with a quick release on it. If you like to spin the bike, it can be spun and put in any position you like. So that's one of the bike stands. Next, I'm going to show you on how to unfold and fold up the bike stand. Just undo the bottom one here. The legs fold out. Lock it back into position. Next one, unlock. Now this can be adjusted up and down to any height. Lock it back into position. Lock the head, and the head comes up. Just release the quick release. Hold your finger on the trigger. Brings the arm down. You want the arm back. It locks back into position and close the quick release. Also got the tray, which fits on, which you can rest all your bits and your tools onto the tray. Now to pack it up again, just remove the tray. Unlock, slide the head down, lock back into position, unlock, slide down, lock back into position, unlock, slide the legs up, then lock back into position.